Day 1 of starting a flower farm. Get up early and enjoy the sunrise. Have some coffee and contemplate your life choices. What led you to have a boring 40-hour work week job when all you really wanted to do with your life was stay outside and play with flowers? Decide today is the day you're going to change your path and work toward your larger dream. Step 1 is make a plan. Decide what your priorities are for your flower farm. For us, we want to make a welcoming place where people can come with their kids and enjoy the space as long as they want. This is what our flower farm will look like. We have a fire pit and rows of flowers, a little farm store. Next step is to fill your Amazon cart with everything you might need and put it on an Affirm credit plan. Buy some seeds. We're focusing on wildflowers, so the first thing we purchased was a wildflower mix that is specific to the Midwest. Then get antsy and check the mail. But there was nothing there, so watch some YouTube videos of your favorite flower farmers. Call it a day because nothing came in the mail that you needed for your farm. And watch the sunset.